This is a cute look. I'm looking real cute, even though I can't see exactly how I'm looking. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Christina with a K. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a synthetic wig from Outre. Her name is Avalon, and I have the color number 2. I'm going to show you a little bit of how I put this on because my eyes was acting up in this video. If you're new here, I do some wig reviews. I do a lot of wig reviews. I don't know who I'm lying to. I do a lot of wig reviews on this channel. I do a lot of wig content, and I also do some skincare. If you like that, consider sticking around. Hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and jump straight into it. This is the Outre Deluxe Front Avalon. I have the color number 2. Do y'all see the texture on this wig? It is so pretty, and it came with these curl formers. I love when they come with these formers because these curls, they juicy, y'all. So right out the pack, the hairline was looking okay. I mean, it's nice and all, but y'all know I had to pluck it. I had to pluck up this hairline just a little bit, but you don't have to. I have a tutorial linked in my cards if you need help, but it's okay. Anyway, so this is what she's looking like on my head. She was really comfortable. I was really feeling her. I was feeling her, okay? Yes, the texture. Okay, I'm jumping into the review. We ain't even start yet. Yes, okay, thank you, Outre. So I'm gonna match the lace to my skin. Boom, y'all like that magic? I wish it could happen like that in real life though. So definitely match up that lace to your complexion because I think it's just a little bit too light, you know, if you're my complexion. But if you're not, okay, it works, it works. So let's go ahead and secure this wig. So I'm gonna use my bedhead spray. I like bedhead because it's only like a day hold adhesive. It's not glue. It's just hairspray, but it's really good for melting your lace and, you know, adhering it for a day. I like to go in with an eyebrow razor and my scissors, cut it jagged. It makes that hairline look a little bit more natural and realistic. Then to secure the ear tab on the sides, I like to go in with a little bit of bold hold. This is my new fave. I'll talk about it later. So I'm just going to get the wig nice in position on my head and just secure it. I'm also going to make sure that the lace is nice and flat, and I'm putting a little bit of bedhead on top of the lace. I really love bedhead. I mean, if you're watching me, you already know, but it doesn't leave a residue, and it's just a really good hold. So I like to brush the hair back as I go and press in that lace to my forehead and just secure it. So then next, after this, I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer, and this is where I'm going to get it somewhat firm, but not too firm, but basically firm enough where I don't have to hold the wig on the side anymore, you know. And then I'm gonna go in with my elastic band. I recommend these off Amazon. I'll leave a link to my wig essentials, and I melted some more. Then I take it off and I wipe off that residue, you know, because sometimes it's a little bit of residue, but like I said, it's not as much residue as other lace adhesives. I'm just cleaning it up with some alcohol, but then my eyes was burning and I had to stop. All right, my friends, so I am finished putting on this wig. Oh my goodness, I can't see y'all. So I do apologize for having to kind of end the video or not really show you guys exactly how I fully install this wig, but it's the same process every single time. My eyes are on fire right now. Y'all know how I get. Sometimes I wear color contacts and unfortunately my eyes get scratchy when I wear them too long. I tried to film this video yesterday and come back today, but my eyes said no. So let's just go ahead and try to make this really quick because I can't see. So if you're seeing lace, just understand that I can't see the lace either, okay? My eyes are just so blurry right now. I'll put some ointment on it and it's blurry, so I'm really struggling, but this is a cute look. I'm looking real cute even though I can't see exactly how I'm looking. Oh my goodness, I hate when this happens. I can't even see the time on my monitor. Ooh. So this wig right here, this is from the Outre. What wig is this? I don't know, I can't see. It's raining, y'all. Like, it's a gloomy day. It's just a mess. I just want to stop filming, but I hate when I have days off because you guys know I work in a hospital, and I hate when I have days off and I can't get work done because then it's going to be another stretch of me filming. So work with me, please. Look at me holding this card out like that. Okay, focus.
2 hours later.
This is the Outre Deluxe Front wig in the style Avalon. This is from the Lace Front Deluxe collection, and what that means is you're gonna get hand-tied lace edges on this. You're gonna get 5 inches of parting space. You can't part this wig any way you like. I do like this collection. This collection, actually, I'm happy they came out with a longer wig. I kind of want to see a mid-length wig, but I'll get into that. I reviewed a wig from this collection, if you guys can remember, Kamiyah And that wig was so pretty. It was a bob, but I think that wig was underrated because nobody really reviewed it. But the texture on that one was so nice that I was looking forward to a longer wig. So I'm happy that we have a longer version. And this wig right here, this texture, this everything is nice. I do have the color number 2. You do get a lot of other pretty colors in this wig. You're gonna get your cinnamon spice, golden honey, sandy blonde, chocolate truffles, and hazelnut. The texture on this wig is so natural. It is so amazing. It's a perfect blend in between that YAKI texture. It's not like a kinky, like Nisha texture, but it's like a YAKI texture. This wig actually is reminding me of Outre Kamiyah. If y'all like that wig, you're gonna love this wig. Trust me, you're gonna love her. I had to bust out Kamiyah because I have wore Kamiyah like about a week ago. She's a little rough because I wore her, but I have to like shampoo her with my brandy wine and all that stuff and bring her back. But it's reminded me of Kamiyah, but Kamiyah was actually a little bit more silkier. So this one is a little bit more yakier, but not as silky. It's not as harsh as a Nisha texture. Yay! So let's go ahead and talk about the customizations that I did because I can't see if you're seeing the lace. If you're seeing the lace, I'm really sorry, y'all. Like I said, again, I can't see the lights in the screen and all that stuff, so y'all don't judge me. Don't judge me. I really hope this video looks good because I can't see anything. I really do like the hand-tied edges. That means that the knots are going to be much thinner on this wig. I did go in and pluck it up just a little bit because I feel like it does make it look a little bit more natural and realistic when you do that. But on the side here, it's really dense still. So, is that crust? Is that crust I'm seeing? I can't see. I told y'all I can't see. On the side, it is a little thicker. So just keep in mind that the lace frontal is more like in the front. On the side, it's kind of thick, but it's fine. It works. I did go in with my bed head. Y'all know I love my bed head. And on the sides, I went in with this bow hole. I'm telling y'all, I am not going back to Got To Be Glue gel. This bow hole liquid gold on the side of your ear tabs is magic. Even to install the wig, if you want to just use gel, this is magic. I do like going in with the bed head and then on the sides with the bow hole. I am getting a little bit of shedding with this. I'm not sure if it's because I plucked up this wig, but it's not too much now, but it was some shedding coming out initially. So I did have to go in with my synthetic wig spray. And I also did go in with the Simply Styling spray, but you could go in with this or serum. I think either one will work. Let's see, what else I gotta tell y'all before I wrap this video up. This length is 26 inches. This is what she's looking like. Can y'all see my rolls? I can't see anything. This is what the length is looking like, and then in the back, this is what she's looking like. The cap feels so good. It is, I wish they would put the same caps on every single wig because this cap feels so good. It's really comfortable. I feel like she's kind of like a side part version of Kamiyah. I don't know. I feel like she might be. I'm really liking this wig. I love the layers on this wig, y'all. It has some nice layers coming down. It came with these little curl foams. I love when they send the wig like that because the curls are gonna be like nice and flowy and really cute. Are you hearing those drops? Because it's raining. I did go in with a little bit of heat at the top. You don't really need it, but I did go in with just a little bit of heat, and I did go in with my powder in the parting space. It is a little tangly, but it's not too bad. Again, if you go in with your brush and you go in with a little bit of wig spray, it comes right out. I feel like this wig is gonna hold up for a while, y'all. I feel like this wig is gonna hold up for a while. This wig is nice. Y'all get this wig. She's definitely Kamiyah's cousin. I feel like this one is just a little bit thicker than Kamiyah, but if you did get Kalina from this collection, then you know exactly what texture I'm talking about. This texture is amazing. It's really nice. I forgot to tell y'all too, I do recommend these new elastic bands. I do normally use the black ones, but this one is a little bit not as tight. You don't get a headache when you're melting your wig. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig in the comments, but I think she's worth it. Until next time, bye.
Just then.
My baby wants to say hi to you guys.
Hello.
Like right there. Say hi.
Hi.
She getting big, y'all, isn't she? All right.